All right, next we want the probability of completing the construction somewhere between 110 and 125 days. So that will be, we want to go from 110 to 125. Okay. So what is that probability going to look like? That probability looks like this, right? So from 110 to 125. Okay, so this is what we want. So of course, first what we have to do is to find the corresponding standard normal value for each of these two x values. So you have x sub 1 minus the mean, okay, absolute reference that with f4 divided by the standard deviation, again absolute reference that, okay. Now copy that. So now we have the two z values. Z sub 1 corresponding with 110 is 0.5, and then corresponding with 1 point with 125 is 1.25. So now we can go and look up the value of the table for these two. Okay, z of 0.5, so 0.50, okay, so that would be this, 0.69146. Okay. Now for z sub 2 of 1.25, we already have that value right here of 1.25. Right? Okay. So let's now the border is gone, so let's put the border back. Okay, now this is okay. So what are these two table values? Okay, let's also align this properly. Okay, so how do we then find this probability? Okay, and what are these? Okay, for z sub 2, 1.25. Okay, the probability that we got from the normal table is that, all of that. Okay, so that includes that as well as this. Okay, that's what the table gives us. So we have to take the table values and do some adjustments to get what we want. So now, what is this value? Z sub 1 equal to 0.5, and we got the normal table value, and that is, okay, so that 0.69 is this. For z of 0.5, that is the cumulative probability. So if you look at it like this, so, well, in other words, what this gives us is the part that we don't want. Okay, so this is the area that is given by that probability. So this one includes that and what we want. Okay, that plus this is that. So what we want then is, okay, the probability between the two is subtract, take that, okay, so that's this whole thing, and subtract out the portion that we don't want, and that is the probability of x between 110 and 125.